There's ways to win quietly when dealing with an insecure manager or insecure management as a whole. The thing is, it's the back and forth. You're going back to them, asking questions after questions because you want to learn. You're trying to excel. You're not going to stay in a certain position for too long, especially if you're a high performer, the A team. But as management sees that, oh, no you don't. You're going to keep a cap on you. You can simply ask certain questions that regard your job function in a sense. It would be like, nah, don't worry about that. I'll take care of that. You don't need to know about that. It's hindering you. So ways of getting around that is pretty simple. Go around and check, see if there's people that have been there 5-7 years, or even assistant manager, a supervisor from afar. Start asking them questions. The ones that you can really depend on, that know that they're not going to run back to your manager and say, hey, this cat constantly asking me questions. There's ways to win quietly when dealing with an insecure manager. Start listening more, observing, hear conversations about things that is going on in your department. Acknowledge that, apply it to some cases. Start chiming into certain conversations. I heard you guys talking about this, but I think this is also an option. Start blending in, meshing in with the people that is more seasoned than you. Stop going back to management, constantly asking questions. We understand you're trying to excel, you're trying to learn more, but he's going to put a cap on that. You can't outshine the master, they say. There's ways around it, but you got to take heed. If he sees you excelling too much, you know where I'm going at. There's going to be some problems. Other departments. You ask questions in other departments about job functions. How do your department bridge a gap to my department? How does that functionality actually works? Instead of asking your manager that, ask a coworker, ask the other department. How did this work? There's ways around it. And that, my friend, will help you win when dealing with an insecure manager. This is Markie Williams from the online certification courses. Check me out on YouTube. Like, subscribe, follow. I'm going to see you guys in the future.